Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening both Canva designs you want to view side by side. Sign in, then open each file in its own tab or, even better, a separate window so you can position them. Once done, set both canvases to the same zoom level. 100% is reliable, so proportions match. Make sure your browser window is not maximized yet. You will snap or manually resize each window. This early alignment makes the rest of the process faster and avoids misleading visual differences. Now position the windows side by side using your operating system's snapping features. You can drag a window to the left edge and snap, then snap the other to the right. On Windows, use Windows plus left/right, and on Mac OS, use split view. Once snapped, switch to Canva's editor and align elements using rulers and guides. Turn them on if needed. If sizes differ, resize the browser panes slightly to match visible artboard areas. This ensures you can compare spacing, fonts, and colors accurately. Finish by comparing details across both canvases. Toggle zoom, inspect typography and margins, and make edits as needed. You should work in one window and periodically refresh the other to verify consistency, especially when copying assets between designs. If elements appear misaligned or colors look off, make sure both files use the same color profiles and update fonts. If things go wrong, clear your browser cache or open a private window. That usually resolves sync and rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.